Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arfan Ramanda, but you can call me Arfan. So I stand before you to discuss about the topic that has been the subject of much debate and speculation in recent years, which is artificial intelligence or AI. While AI has undoubtedly made uh, significant advancement and revolutionized various fields, I find myself in disagreement with its widespread adoption and reliance. So, allow me to present my arguments. First and foremost, AI poses significant threat to employment and future of work. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are increasingly capable of uh, performing tasks were once exclusive to human beings. This advancement has the potential to render millions of individuals unemployed, leading to economic instability and social upheaval. As Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur, warns, AI will make jobs kind of pointless. Probably, the last job will be writing AI software. Furthermore, there are concerns about the ethical implication of AI. Many algorithms are built upon vast amounts of data, which can introduce biases and perpetuate inequality. Joy Bolamwini, as a computer scientist and the founder of Algorithmic Justice League, she cautioned us about the danger of biased AI system. She states, AI or systems we create are mirrors of ourselves, and they will reflect to our virtues and our vices. Lastly, the rapid advancement of AI brings the security risks that can be ignored. AI system can be manipulated or hacked by a person or by hacker that have access to it. Sundar Pichai, as the CEO of Google, has expressed his apprehension, saying AI is the one of profound the things we're working on as humanity, but it has a risk, so we need to concern about it. In conclusion, while AI has its merits and potential benefits, it is crucial to approach its development and the implementation with caution. We must prioritize the potential jobs displacement, the ethical consideration, and the security of risk of it. So it is essential that we strike a balance between harnessing power of AI and safeguarding well-being of humanity. So maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if I made a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.